Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2011 Dodge Challenger. Stock number is A7186. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. Taking a look down the passenger side, you have 20-inch chrome wheels. We're going to take a quick peek at the tread on the tires. You do have the red racing RT stripes on the hood on both sides. Inside, cloth interior. Up top, you have a sunroof. Swinging around to the back end, you have dual point exhaust on the back. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player and auxiliary input. Climate control and your manual transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Challenger on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report that is provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.